Hello, gonna make a carrot coriander soup today. I've got walnuts in here and some other little bits, a little bit of coconut milk. It's absolutely delicious. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So very, very simple. We've got potatoes and carrots, roughly equal parts, about 3 cups each. 2 cups of onion. I've cut mine really small, but cut it bigger if you want. You can see I've got 1 lemon, half a cup of cilantro or coriander, salt and pepper, 3 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 of turmeric. Very, very easy. So you're going to need a large pot. In there I've got oil. I'm using coconut oil. I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons. You can change that if you want. Very simply, everything goes in, well, pretty much. So get that lemon in, just drop it in there. The potatoes and the carrots. And you can see I've not even peeled my carrots, I just topped and tailed them. 2 cups of onion, the salt and the pepper to taste, the turmeric and the coriander. So the only thing we're holding back on is the coriander or cilantro. 5 minutes, above medium heat. We're just going to throw this around in the pan. So all these vegetables are still extremely hard. Just sort of brought it together. Now I'm going to add liquid. I'm using water. Use stock if you want. Here's 2 litres of water. And here's a bit more, 2.5 litres of water. Bring that to the boil. Then get it on a nice rolling boil. What we're looking for is like a kind of baby food. We want all of that to be really soft. Well, apart from the lemon, but it's probably going to take, once it reaches boiling point, about 12 or 15 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. That's been going 15, 20 minutes or whatever. You know, you just want to get it all really nice and soft. I've just checked the carrots. That's what you want to go for. They're soft. So the lemon, let's fetch this out because we're going to liquidize this. We don't want it in there. Little squeeze and out it comes. Now I've got one of these guys that goes in and I'm going to whiz it up and get it nice and creamy. Okay, so that's beautiful, nice consistency. You can adjust the consistency if it was too thick. Now, a couple of things I didn't show you. I've got half a cup here of walnuts that I like in there. 200 ml of coconut milk. And then our cilantro or coriander that we saw. One more whiz. Beautiful. Check that for salt, job done. Okay, beautiful, nice, easy soup. What I've done is just put a few walnuts on the top, little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander, and a little tiny sprinkling of paprika. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.